You don't need a giant toolbox when you've got something like this in your pocket. This folding multi-tool brings together 11 practical functions in a body that feels solid the second you pick it up. At the top, the needle nose pliers handle the delicate stuff, bending, gripping, pulling, while the wire cutters make quick work of cables and zip ties. The vise-style grip keeps everything stable, no matter what you're working on. Flip it open and the main blade is ready. Clean, sharp, and easy to handle. Just the way it should be. Right beside it, there's a double-row saw. You'd be surprised how well it cuts through small branches or rough edges when you're out in the wild. There's also a file tucked in, useful for smoothing metal or wood when you least expect to need it. And when things need tightening or just fixing on the fly, the built-in Phillips screwdriver steps in. No fancy attachments, just the one size you actually use. Now for the underrated heroes. A rope cutter that slices clean every time, a bottle opener and a can opener cleverly built into the same piece. And of course, a corkscrew, because not every day in the outdoors has to be rugged. It's the kind of tool you carry without thinking, until you really need it. And then, you're glad it's there. Lightweight, strong, and no wasted parts. Just smart design packed into your pocket.